Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make some immunity booster wellness shots. Now, shots are different from the regular juices, particularly because of the quantity. It might be small but is fully loaded, and every ingredient in this shot recipe has been carefully chosen in order to provide best outcome. These ingredients are superfood that are loaded with anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, and vitamin C, of which together make the best immunity bomb. Starting with ginger, a superfood, lemon, which is loaded with vitamin C. I've also chosen orange, not only because of its vitamin C, but also to make the shots palatable, especially for those who are sweet-toothed. I've also picked fresh lemongrass, and to top it up, fresh bell pepper. A combination of these ingredients gives you the best immunity booster wellness shot. Also, hand hygiene is very important, and prepping all ingredients in a clean environment with clean water. Now let's just focus on choosing the best immunity booster wellness shots, perfect for the winter season. It is that simple, easy to make at home, with ingredients that are readily available. No preservatives, no additives, just a glass of wellness, a glass of good health. The perfect winter wellness immunity booster shot to combat cold and flu, fight inflammation, ease digestion, and boost energy. Till I see you next time, don't forget, make food your medicine.